Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. Today, I'll be guiding you through the process of removing apps from your Chrome browser or Chromebook. It's a quick and easy process, so let's dive right in. First things first, open up your Chrome browser on either your Chromebook or computer. To view and manage the apps installed in Chrome, click on the little Apps button located in the top left corner of the toolbar. If you don't see it, don't worry. You can also access your apps by typing chrome://apps into the address bar. You can find this text in the description below for easy copying and pasting. Once you're in the apps section, you'll see a list of all the different apps installed. Now, to remove an app, simply select it and drag it around. While holding down the mouse button, you'll notice a Remove from Chrome option in the bottom right corner. Drag the app over to that, and a trash can will appear. Release the mouse button, and voila, the app is uninstalled from your Chrome browser. After you've removed any unwanted apps, you can easily install new ones. Just head over to the web store by clicking on the icon in the bottom right. This will take you to the Chrome web store, where you can explore and install a variety of apps. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. I'll do my best to respond as quickly as possible. For more Chrome tutorial videos, check out the links in the description. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.